present small PPT about the factor, the making of scientists. The making of scientists is a story about the this chapter is written by the Robert Peterson. Robert Peterson was a writer who was from the UK. He had written the three books. First is The Cage to Young Dog, The Early Year of Pro Football, The Stigma Work on Negro, The Basketball. The writer is W. Peterson. He was a great writer from UK. He had written the English book, which had a similar work on Negro League basketball. The early years of pro football and the case to young shop, the pro basketball, early years in 1990. He was born on 11 February 2006. In this chapter, we will learn about the short story about the Robert Richard. We will learn about the thought given by his mother and its story editor, his failures and more about more things.
Today we will delve into the remarkable contribution of Dr. E. Bright in the field of molecular biology. So first I explore his discoveries. Dr. E. Bright is highly regarded for his extensive research on the fundamental biological processes. Protein DNA interaction, transcription initiation, transcription activation, and antibacterial drug discovery. This discoveries help in today's life for to make many medicine, vaccines, and drugs which are important he famously discovered a hormone which is essential for the growth of butterfly. He significantly contributed was his work proving how cell reads their DNA. Awards. Dr. A. Bright pioneering work has earned him significant recognition within the scientific community. Scary Plug Award. Thank you.
My topic is his childhood and his companion. His childhood. Robert Richard Bright was born in north of a city situated in USA. He collected butterflies with the same determination that had marked down his activities. He collected rock, fossils, and coins, and also have a driving curiosity. By the time he was in the second grade, he collected 25 species of butterflies around his surroundings. His mother was one which bought him microscope, telescope, cameras, and some mounting material and other equipment that helped him in many other ways. Butterfly. The book describes how the monarch butterflies migrated to Central America.
Great force in making him as a scientist. He always encouraged me to learn develop interest. Bright was her whole life after her father died.
When he was in class 7, he participated in scouting fair science experiment. He showed a frog tissue, but he didn't get a prize. But he did not give up. Then he learned from that to one sheet he have to experiment. So in 8th grade he tried to find out the course of
It is that race monarch had won the prize.
My second topic is the Viceroy butterfly copy monarch. The Viceroy butterfly copy monarch because Viceroy was created in chase, so the birds eat the Viceroy and avoid to eat monarchs. But it birds eat Viceroy.
Monetization viceroy. Now there are some differences between the monetization viceroy. There are many types of butterfly such as first wing butterfly and bird footed butterfly. The wing butterfly are white and they have white hairs on them. Good butterfly have their eye brown and bird footed butterfly have variegated butterfly, brush footed butterfly are mainly viceroy and they are of white color and they have white red spots on them.
My name is Sayash. My topic is X-ray photos of chemical structure of carbon. When R.H. Wright was studying about DNA, he was his problem was to solve the problem of DNA. After he studied the photos of chemical structure of carbon in the X-ray, his doubt was cleared. Then he determined that the DNA is the substance in the nucleus that converts it.
DNA and laboratory of the Department of Agriculture and use the sophisticated instrument means showing lot of experience of the world of a social situation and was able to identify the hormones chemical structure from the host spots. We believe that along with his findings about insect hormones, the focus will give the answer. One of the biology puzzle how the cell can read the blueprint of its DNA. DNA is the substance in the nucleus of a cell that controls activity. It determines the form and the function of the cell. So DNA is the blueprint of for life. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Flo. Today I will tell you about some qualities of Richard Wright which help him to become scientist. Richard Wright became scientist because of his qualities. He was having bright mind when he was in 7th class. He took part in science competition and but did not won the prize. And he did not grow up in 8th class. We find out the cause of disease that kills monarch and won the prize. This was his willpower. Curiosity to learn new things. These all qualities help him to become a scientist. Now I will summarize this chapter in short. This story is about Richard Wright. Richard Wright is bright and curious child. His mother always encouraged him towards learning new things. His mother provided him scientific equipment such as microscope, telescope, etc. His mother also provided him book, Travels of Monarch. Then after this he started raising his interest towards butterflies. He was having 25 different species of butterflies at his home. When he was in 7th class, he took part in science competition fair and he presented a frog tissue, but he did not win the prize. Next year in 8th grade, he tried to find out the cause of disease that kills monarch caterpillar and won the prize. Next year, his project was to test the theory that Viceroy copy monarch. He also started his project on 12 golden spots on the body of monarch, and he found that these spots were responsible for releasing growth hormone in the body of the monarch. He also discovered that DNA is the blueprint of any life. Moral of